Hi there, this is Amit Singh from quickdigitalreviews.com and welcome to my in action review video. Alright, I'm here in the members area of InAction. In a nutshell, InAction is a video course related to photography, videography, and editing. I will be walking you through about all the features and the modules that it has. Action is gonna get launched on 16th of July and the launch day will end on 20th of July. The front end price of InAction is $12 and it has few upsells and downsells which I'll let you know later on. I have also put some amazing bonuses for you if you want to get InAction. So let me take you to my bonus page. Alright, this is my bonus page. There is a link in the description below which says get InAction and bonuses. If you click that link, you will come to my bonus page. As I've told you that the product is gonna get launched on 16th of July and I'm giving you 3 days to pick these bonuses up. And when this timer hits 0, my bonus page will expire and you won't be able to grab my amazing bonuses. If you click this orange button which says click here to secure InAction and your bonuses, you will be redirected to the sales page of InAction. And if you click this button in the sales page of InAction which says click here to access InAction now, you will be able to buy this product. Alright, let's go back to the bonus page. Okay, so when you come to my bonus page, you can just read it through. As I've told you, InAction is a sophisticated yet straightforward new program by ZenDigital. Its goal is to help you eliminate the need for using external images and videos in your sales page and in your business. So you can just go through my bonus page. So the funnels, the front end price is $12 as I've already told you, and it has few upsells and downsells. It has few upgrades. Upgrade 1 is for $80, upgrade 2 is for $279. So every product has many pros and cons to it. This product has many pros, many advantages, and but few disadvantages which I would like to tell you is that the upsells which it has is pretty costly, and I would not recommend you to go for upgrades because they are very costly. Okay, so this is the video that I'm making right now. So if you come to my bonus page, you don't need to watch this video if you have come through YouTube. Alright, so I'm giving you 10 bonuses when you buy InAction from my affiliate link which is in the description below. You get all the 10 amazing bonuses for free. So let's go through all of them quickly. So bonus number 1 is Lindgren's lazy method. Discover a newbie friendly ultra lazy method for turning 2 to 4 hours per week into $15 per month. Bonus number 2 is 10K storytelling formula, the blueprint to 10,000 per month by storytelling. Bonus number 3 is crazy traffic explosion, how to get free traffic to your offer website. Bonus number 4 is Instagram marketing made simpler and profitable, how to use Instagram to drive traffic, generate leads, and make more sales in CPA and as an affiliate marketer. Bonus number 5 is Printly, never seen before method, makes $278 per hour. Bonus number 6 is The Awakening, unique system banks a total newbie $214 per hour. Bonus number 7 is WordPress Commission Cloaker, fully cloak all of your affiliate links and protect your commissions. Bonus number 8 is Ninja Facebook advertising and retargeting tactics. This is very important if you're using Facebook ads. Bonus number 9 is 5K publishing paydays, how anyone can make $5,000 per month within 27 days with just 30 minutes per day. And finally, bonus number 10 is 3 powerful insider tips that change the Kindle game big time. Alright, learn the insider tips that can 10x your book sales, secret strategy that help Dalton have month making over 10,000 a month. Okay, so again, if you click any of these orange buttons which says click here to secure InAction and your bonuses, you will be redirected to the sales page of InAction. And if you click any of these orange button which says click here to access InAction now, you will be able to buy this product. Again, as I've told you that when this timer hits 0, my bonus page will expire and you won't be able to grab these amazing bonuses. Alright, so let's jump into the sales page of inaction. Alright, so this is the sales page of inaction. This one simple tactic grew my business tenfold and saved me thousands of dollars in the process. It's so easy, you can do it too. I went from losing 70% of my conversions to tripling my business with this one simple hack. You can buy this product by clicking this button which says click here to access inaction now. Alright, you can just go through the sales page. The creator of this product is Mark Serota and Scott Goldman. They both have created this amazing, wonderful course. Getting there is super easy with our fun learning method. Step 1, it starts with understanding of how to make great images. Step 2 is what makes an image irresistible. Step 3, then we make the mystery out of the editing process. Why inaction is the best by far. No monthly fees, yes. It is easy to follow, yes. Taught by pros, newbie friendly, fast servers, premium support, evergreen content. So all in all, they have a really good support. And if you can also go through these testimonials that they have posted here. Mark is brilliantly creative and does amazing work. Mark is my main man. They're also providing with some bonuses. So bonus number 1 will be YouTube quick start. Bonus number 2 will backlinks warrior software. This is a really important software. As you all know that backlinks are really important in affiliate marketing or in any internet marketing. Bonus number 3 is the power of social media stories for marketers. Or you are also getting 14-day money back guarantee, which is pretty cool because the course is really short. You can complete the course within a week and then later on you can think for yourself whether this product is really useful or not. If this product is useful, you can keep this product, or else you can return this product inside 14 days. Alright, so this was the sales page of inaction. Let me take you to the members area of inaction. Alright, I'm here in the members area of inaction and you will see 3 buttons: home, my account and logout. So I'm currently in the home area and you will see few modules. The first module is inaction light, the fundamentals of photography. The second is inaction light, advanced techniques in photography. Module number 3 will be nature photography on location. Module number 4 will be inaction light Photoshop tips. And module number 5 will be an introduction to video editing. Module number 6 will be thinking light and editor. Module number 7 will be create editing primer, free bonus. This is the module that you're getting as a bonus. Alright, so I'll quickly go through each of them. So let's start with inaction light, the fundamentals of photography. I'll click here, start. So when you click start, you will see 3 more courses inside that main course. The first course is rule of thirds and symmetry. The second course is negative space, and the third is direction of movement. So let's choose this one, rule of thirds and symmetry. You click start. Once you click start, you will see this video. So this is the course by which you can follow at your own pace. This is the best part of this module of this course, is that you can go with your own pace. You can schedule this course according to your own time. Alright, I cannot play this video right now due to copyright issues, and it won't make any sense if I play this video. I won't play this video. So once you are done with this module, you can just click next section, and the next section will be negative space. And negative space, it's not always what is in the focus part of the frame that counts. Much can be made about the part of the frame that does not hold the subject as well. So that is what you're gonna learn in negative space. And let's click in next section, direction of movement. Mark uses some cool photos to demonstrate that movement is not only in videos Okay, so you can click this button and watch this video. Once you're done with this whole module, you can just click on home, and in the same manner you can go through all of the videos and you can complete this module, you can complete this course very quickly within a week or so. All right, so I actually went through this course. Well, this is a really good course, and the best part is that they'll make you understand in a very easy and a very effective manner. This product is really important for those who are picking internet marketing line, because this is the basic stuff, right? When you enter in internet marketing, you have to know what kind of images to put on your sales page, because when people buy a digital product, they see only three things, right? First is video, second is image, and third is content, right? If you do not know how to put up a great image or a video, there are chances that you won't be able to sell a particular offer, because all the three aspects, the video, the pictures, and the images, and the content must go hand in hand and must sound really good in order to convince the audience, in order to convince the customers, right? Only then they're gonna buy. So most of the people suck at selling products because they create sales pages which are really boring. They choose images which do not convey anything at all. So I highly recommend this product, because this product is really cheap, really affordable, and this will be a really good base in internet marketing and in your affiliate marketing, because once you know how and what kind of images and videos you should be using in your offer page or in your sales page, you will be able to convert those people, convert those offers really well. Okay, so who can use this product? Well, anyone can use this product. This product is 100% newbie friendly. You don't have to have any skills or technical knowledge, since it is a video course. So I'm really positive about this product. I'm really looking forward to the launch of this product. And once again, I'm repeating, this product is going to launch on 16th of July, and you will have only 3 days to pick my bonuses up. Otherwise, this bonus page will expire. And so fine, this was my review on Inaction. Thank you for watching my Inaction review video. I'll talk to you later. Bye.